Hi, I'm Dr. Antonio Ruston, and I decided to make this video to thank Dr. Jose Lorenzo for the amazing work he has done on me. But before all else, let me explain the challenges and difficulties of my case. In my late 20s, I started to lose my hair. My hair started to become thinning and diffuse thinning. So I decided to do my first hair transplant. I liked the result, as my hair after 1 year was full again. But there was no finasteride at that time. So after 3 years, as my native hair started falling, I started to see again a diffuse thinning, and I decided to go to a second procedure with the same doctor. Only when I lost almost all my native hair, I could see the disaster of my result. I had a very wide scar in the nape area that elevated my nape hair, so became impossible for me using my hair shorter here. I had to use my hair long. The hairline was very straight with a lot of big plugs in the very front. And furthermore, I had very big round scars as the second procedure was done using big punches. The years passed, I became a well-known hair transplant surgeon. I had several small procedures done on myself to improve the hairline and to improve my case a little bit. But I was not happy yet, as my hair loss had progressed and my hairline was not so perfect. Because of my depleted donor area and very limited donor supply, I was not optimistic about what could be done in my case. So I met with Dr. Lorenzo, and in 2013 he created a surgical plan for me. We did the first procedure in 2014 in Enxerto Capilar, Argentina, and that was my donor area on that time. He extracted 900 grafts from the scalp and 600 grafts from the beard, and he restored the temporal peaks and increased the density in the crown. After 1 year, we did a second procedure in Enxerto Capilar in Madrid, where he got 600 from the scalp and 600 more from the beard. This time he improved my hairline and again increased the density in the crown. And 1 year ago, in November 2016, we did a third procedure where we increased it again a little bit the density in the crown using beard hair, and a little bit the hairline. We improved a little bit the hairline. I also did some scalp micropigmentation, SMP, to camouflage and cover my scars in the scalp, and also to recreate the shape of my nape area. Well, as a picture worth 1,000 words, now you can see my final result. And remember the limited donor area that I had. So Dr. Lorenzo, thanks is not enough for what you've done for me. I remember the first time you saw my case and you told me, you said, Tony, your case is not difficult, it's beyond difficult, but I'll do my best. And you did it. professionals in the world could have delivered a result like this in a case like mine. As a hair transplant surgeon, I'm more than aware about the difficulties and challenges of my case. I couldn't be happier. My result exceeded all my expectations. So thank you very much, Dr. Lorenzo. You deserve all the success you have had in your career and in our field. From São Paulo, Brazil, from the bottom of my heart, I say thank you 1,000 times over. Your patient and friend, Tony Ruston.